Whoa, did you see that? That was a big win for me. But now I want my money. Well, what's the best way to cash out? Hey Internet, it's your old friend Dominic here from americancasinoguide.com. Now, online casinos have many payment methods available for you to choose from. They offer different options for all kinds of players, but at the end of the day, you have to decide which one fits your needs.
You have to decide for yourself.
To make things easier, we've come up with 5 factors that you need to consider before deciding on your particular payment option. So the first and most important factor is security. Do they have SSL certificates? Are they using encryption technologies? Do they comply with all regulations? Well, credit cards, e-wallets, and even that crypto your crazy uncle recommended to you last Sunday at the tailgate party can all be safe, technically. But there are always some rotten apples amongst the bunch. When you play at a regulated and legal online casino, it is required for them to provide you with secure payment options.
And who says that? It's the law.
Next up is speed and convenience. So you've won your money fair and square, and you want to withdraw it as fast and as securely as possible. Well, keep in mind that not all methods or providers offer the same efficiency. You're going to need to check if they offer instant deposits or how long those withdrawals might actually take. For example, bank transfers are usually slower than most, but e-wallets are almost instant. Now, let's talk about transaction fees. Some payment methods might charge you for moving your cash around, while others won't. This is usually a standard practice, but be sure to read up on those to avoid any surprises.
God, I hate surprises.
Another important factor to consider is if there are any transaction limits for deposits or withdrawals. Knowing these is the key to avoiding any roadblocks and to keep smooth sailing on your gaming adventure. And one of the factors I always like to check is the reputation of the payment provider. Usually the most popular ones I've heard of tend to be the most reliable. A solid track record and loads of users will give you peace of mind. Remember, when it comes to online casino payments, reputation matters.
Because you need to earn their respect first.
Thankfully, I've been lucky and never had problems with depositing or withdrawing my winnings. Have you? Let us know in the comments section down below. My name's Dominic, wishing you luck and reminding you as always, play responsibly.